If you want to generate a QR code for your LinkedIn profile using Uniqode, but don't want to waste time figuring out confusing settings, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and efficiently. And stick around because at the end, I'll share a free trial link with exclusive benefits, plus some better alternatives if you need more customization or analytics. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to Uniqode and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and click Create QR Code. Select website URL as the type, because LinkedIn profiles are just URLs. Next, grab your LinkedIn profile link. The easiest way is to go to your profile, click More, and select Copy Profile URL. Paste that link into Uniqode. Now you can customize the QR code. Uniqode lets you change the color, add a logo, and adjust the frame. This is useful if you want it to match your personal brand or company style. However, customization is a bit limited compared to other tools, and some of the better design options are locked behind paid plans. Once you're happy with the design, click Download to save your QR code. You can now add it to your business card, email signature, or social media. A key thing to note, Uniqode offers analytics, but the free plan doesn't give much data. If tracking scans and user insights are important, you might want a tool with better analytics. Now, like I promised, if you want an exclusive extended free trial for Uniqode, or even better alternatives with more customization and tracking, check the link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial options available only through our link.